What's up guys, it's Sirocco B here and I'm going to be talking about why my engine blew up on my Scotland trip. I'm going to be showing you like loads of POV driving clips from Scotland and like obviously why it blew up. So let's get into it. So this is what happened.
Oh fuck.
Everyone thought it was the turbo because of all the white smoke, but it was the engine.
Oh, his turbo's gone. Put oil in it. Pressure's gone. Yeah, on. Fuck.
It's kind of funny because right before it blew up, Casper was on the walkie-talkie and he was driving behind me and he was saying it was flaming like crazy, like holding them for like 10 seconds. So me being me, I wanted it to flame more so they could get a video of it doing GTR flames, not realising my engine's on its way out, so I probably didn't help the situation anymore.
What? Is it flaming back? Oh my days.
So yeah, and then it blew up like 10 minutes later. So I reckon the reason it blew up was because I never looked after it properly. I drove it 10 hours to Scotland without even checking the oil or whatever before going on the 10-hour drive. One of the main reasons it probably blew up was because I never let it warm up and I always ragged it from cold.
I've just got in the R with Benham, bruv, and it's freezing cold. He's just turned it on. He goes, I'm warm, my bum's warm, so the car's warm. Man's flooring it, red line, straight away.
A lot of people were like, oh, it was probably the remap in my comments, but it wasn't the remap. I've had the same remap since getting it forged, and it's been fine because I've been looking after it now. Another reason was probably the petrol that we was using in Scotland was SO99, and even my friend's Supra and my friend's GTI was running weird on it, and I didn't take no notice. They used octane booster and I didn't top mine up with any octane booster. I just firmed it. I thought it was alright, and obviously I was wrong. My tuner said that SO99 pulls timing and it made his Audi R8 run shit as well, so not to use it again, and I will not be using it again. So the three reasons were mainly bad fuel, bad care, and never letting it warm up before redlining it. This was the damage I caused. Piston 1 and 2 completely missing. On the left we have my bent rod, and on the right we have the biggest part of piston that Ben could find when he was stripping my engine. The rest of it was blown to smithereens. So I had my engine rebuilt. I needed a new oil pump. I needed a new intercooler because everything else got damaged. Metal went everywhere. And yeah, it was an expensive lesson that I learned. Even though I blew up my engine, I still had a sick trip in Scotland. That day was probably the best day of Scotland, I'm not going to lie to you. I know it sounds kind of mad, but like, we had the best drive. We had the best party at night at the Airbnb, and it was just really good. Even though I blew up my engine, but yeah. The car ended up getting towed 600 miles, RAC, free recovery, shout out Neve. It took 3 days to get to Devil Development, 600 miles away from where we was, and I stayed in Scotland whilst my car was travelling there, and it got there the day after I got home from Scotland. Also shout out Jana for having me as a passenger on the way home from Scotland. It was actually excellent. I got to have like loads of little naps on our 10-hour drive back. But yeah, so that's what happened. That's probably why it happened. So yeah, look after your cars, like, comment, subscribe for more content.